Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with a quick checklist. Make sure your phone actually supports always-on display and update the OS first. Once done, keep the phone charged above 20% or plug in to avoid interruptions. Now, open Settings and go straight to Display, then choose Always on Display. You're taking the first actionable step. Don't linger on home screens. Tap to enter AOD options, because the next slide will show how to enable and tailor what appears on your screen. You'll now enable AOD and configure what you want to see. Flip the toggle to on, then decide scheduled versus always on based on battery needs. Once enabled, choose a clock face and any widgets. Notifications and music controls are common choices because they save steps later. Make sure to set visibility for lock screen vs ambient and adjust brightness and timeout to reduce battery draw. Finally, check battery optimization so AOD isn't force-closed by power-saving modes. That prevents intermittent You're almost done. Save your settings and lock the phone to verify the always-on display appears as expected. Test it for a few minutes, then monitor battery impact over 24 hours and make small tweaks. Lower brightness or use a scheduled window if drain is noticeable. If AOD stops working, troubleshoot by disabling aggressive battery saver and adding always on display to allowed apps or background whitelist. If problems persist, restart the device. That often clears temporary.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.